Hello and welcome to Weight Loss Teachers. Today, we're going to discuss about low-carb protein bars. In the fast-paced world we live in, it's often challenging to find healthy, convenient snacks that align with our dietary goals. However, low-carb protein bars have emerged as a popular solution, offering a delicious and satisfying option for individuals seeking a convenient source of nutrition. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Weight Loss Teachers. In this video, we will delve into the realm of low-carb protein bars, exploring their benefits, types, and potential pitfalls. Understanding the basics. 1. What are low-carb protein bars? Low-carb protein bars are specially formulated snack bars that contain a reduced amount of carbohydrates while providing significant protein content. These bars are designed to offer a convenient and portable source of nutrition, particularly for individuals following low-carb or high-protein diets. 2. Why choose low-carb protein bars? Low-carb protein bars are an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight or control blood sugar levels. By minimizing carbohydrate intake and increasing protein content, these bars can help curb cravings, enhance feelings of fullness, and support weight loss efforts. 3. Key nutrients in low-carb protein bars. Low-carb protein bars are packed with essential nutrients. They are typically rich in high-quality proteins, which are vital for muscle repair, growth, and overall body functioning. Additionally, they often contain healthy fats, such as nuts or seeds, which provide sustained energy, and fiber, which aids digestion and promotes satiety. 4. Common ingredients in low-carb protein bars. Low-carb protein bars often include a combination of protein sources like whey, casein, or plant-based proteins, example, soy, pea, or hemp. They may also contain healthy fats like nuts, seeds, or nut butter, and natural sweeteners like stevia or erythritol. 5. Differentiating between low-carb and regular protein bars. While regular protein bars may contain a balanced mix of carbohydrates, protein, and fats, low-carb protein bars prioritize minimizing carbohydrate content to meet the needs of those following low-carb diets or individuals who want to limit their carb intake. Benefits of low-carb protein bars. 1. Aiding in weight management. Low-carb protein bars can be valuable for weight management due to their high protein content and low carbohydrate count. 2. Supporting muscle recovery and growth. Low-carb protein bars provide a convenient source of high-quality protein, delivering the amino acids necessary for optimal muscle recovery after workouts and facilitating muscle growth in those engaged in resistance training or physical activity. 3. Sustaining energy levels. With a balanced combination of proteins, fats, and often some carbohydrates, low-carb protein bars offer sustained energy throughout the day. 4. Promoting a feeling of fullness. Protein takes longer to digest, keeping you feeling satisfied for longer periods, while fiber adds bulk and promotes healthy digestion, reducing the likelihood of overeating or reaching for unhealthy snacks. 5. Convenient and on-the-go snacking. They are pre-packaged, portable, and require no preparation, making them an excellent choice for busy individuals, athletes, or those who need a quick and nutritious snack while on the go. Choosing the right low-carb protein bar. 1. Reading and understanding nutrition labels. When selecting a low-carb protein bar, it's crucial to read and understand the nutrition label. Look for bars with reasonable calorie counts, moderate protein content, and limited added sugars. 2. Assessing macronutrient ratios. For muscle building or athletic performance, bars with a balanced ratio of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats may be more suitable. 3. Evaluating ingredient quality. Prioritize low-carb protein bars made with high-quality ingredients. Avoid bars with artificial additives, preservatives, and hydrogenated oils. 4. Considering allergens and dietary restrictions. Take into account any specific dietary restrictions or allergens when selecting a low-carb protein bar. Ensure that the bar you choose aligns with your personal requirements and avoids any ingredients that may cause an adverse reaction or discomfort. 5. Determining personal taste preferences. Experiment with different flavors and brands to find the ones that appeal to your palate. Consider options like chocolate, peanut butter, or fruity flavors to make the snacking experience more enjoyable and sustainable in the long run. Potential pitfalls and precautions. 1. Hidden sugars and artificial sweeteners. Be cautious of low-carb protein bars that contain hidden sugars or excessive amounts of artificial sweeteners. While these bars may be marketed as low in carbs, they can still be high in added sugars, which can hinder weight loss or impact overall health. 2. Excessive calories and unbalanced nutrition. Be mindful of your overall calorie intake, especially if you're using them as meal replacements or consuming multiple bars per day. Ensure that the bars you choose provide balanced nutrition and fit within your daily calorie goals. 3. Over-reliance on low-carb protein bars. While low-carb protein bars can be a convenient snack, it's important not to rely on them as the sole source of nutrition. Whole foods offer a wider range of essential nutrients, so aim to incorporate them into your diet alongside protein bars. 4. Digestive sensitivities and allergic reactions. Some protein sources, such as whey or soy, may cause digestive discomfort or allergic reactions in certain individuals. Choose bars that cater to your specific needs or consider alternative protein options. 5. Long-term sustainability and whole food alternatives. Incorporate a variety of lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to ensure you're getting a well-rounded nutritional profile. Use low-carb protein bars as a supplement or occasional snack rather than a primary food source. Types of low-carb protein bars. 1. Whey protein bars. Derived from dairy, whey protein offers a complete amino acid profile and supports muscle recovery and growth. 2. Plant-based protein bars. These bars typically use protein sources like soy, pea, hemp, or brown rice protein. 3. Collagen protein bars. Collagen is a structural protein found in the body, and collagen protein bars often include collagen peptides derived from animal sources like beef or fish. 4. Keto-friendly protein bars. Keto-friendly protein bars are specifically formulated to align with the principles of a ketogenic diet, which focuses on very low carbohydrate intake and high fat consumption. These bars typically contain minimal net carbs and higher fat content from sources like nuts, seeds, and coconut oil. Incorporating low-carb protein bars into your diet. 1. Pre- and post-workout snacks. Consuming a protein bar before a workout can provide a source of sustained energy, while having one after exercise aids in muscle recovery and repair. 2. Meal replacements and weight loss aids. Low-carb protein bars can serve as meal replacements or weight loss aids, especially when trying to manage calorie intake. 3. On-the-go and travel snacks. When you're on the move or traveling, low-carb protein bars offer a convenient and portable option. They are shelf-stable, require no preparation, and can be easily packed in your bag. 4. Healthy dessert alternatives. Use them as healthier dessert alternatives, allowing you to indulge in a tasty treat without the guilt. Look for bars with lower sugar content and natural sweeteners to keep your dessert options nutritious and aligned with your dietary goals. Conclusion. Low-carb protein bars are a convenient and nutritious snack option that can support weight management, muscle recovery, and overall well-being. Understanding the basics of low-carb protein bars, including their composition and benefits, helps you make informed choices. By evaluating nutrition labels, considering macronutrient ratios, and prioritizing high-quality ingredients, you can select the right low-carb protein bars for your dietary needs. Whether you choose whey, plant-based, collagen, or keto-friendly options, these bars can be incorporated into various aspects of your diet, such as pre- and post-workout snacks, meal replacements, on-the-go options, or even healthier dessert alternatives. Enjoy the benefits and deliciousness of low-carb protein bars as part of your healthy lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and do remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this information helpful.